In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add TSA PreCheck American Airlines. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your American Airlines account to enable TSA PreCheck Touchless ID, which helps streamline security and identity verification when you're eligible for TSA PreCheck. First, head to the American Airlines website and look to the upper right corner of the page. Make sure you're signed in to your AAdvantage account so you can access your profile. Once you're signed in, click your name at the top. This opens your personal menu and is the quickest way to get to all of your account settings. From that menu, click Account. You'll land on your account summary page, which brings together your profile information, preferences, and security options. This is where you can manage the details that help airlines and TSA match your identity correctly. Next, find and click Information, Password. This section holds your key personal details and your security settings. It's also where American Airlines surfaces program opt-ins tied to travel screening and identity verification. So it's the right place to make sure you're set up for a smoother airport experience. Within the Information and Password page, scroll until you see the TSA PreCheck Touchless ID section. Touchless ID is American's program that, at select locations, uses a quick biometric match to confirm your identity and TSA PreCheck eligibility, letting you move through the checkpoint with fewer physical documents. You stay in control, and you can manage your choice here at any time. When you're ready, click Opt-in to TSA PreCheck Touchless ID. Follow any on-screen prompts to confirm your choice. Once you opt in, American will use the information in your profile to verify your identity for Touchless ID, where it's available, and to recognize your TSA PreCheck eligibility when you travel. A couple of helpful tips as you finish up. Make sure the name and date of birth in your profile match your government ID exactly. Small mismatches can prevent TSA PreCheck from appearing on your boarding pass. Also, if you already have TSA PreCheck, ensure your known traveler number is saved in your American Airlines profile so your bookings reflect your eligibility. If you don't see the TSA PreCheck indicator on a future reservation, double-check your profile details and the reservation's traveler information to ensure everything matches. That's it. You clicked your name, opened your account, went into Information or Password, located the TSA PreCheck Touchless ID section, and opted in. With this set, your travel through participating checkpoints can be faster and more seamless. Thanks for watching and safe travels.